At Samsara Therapeutics, we're working on discovering autophagy-inducing small molecules to treat currently incurable neurodegenerative diseases. In Parkinson's and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, neuronal death occurs due to the accumulation of aggregated cytotoxic proteins. This accumulation happens due to a dysfunction in a key cellular process called autophagy. Autophagy is the cell's main method for removing unnecessary or dysfunctional material. This process of degradation and recycling maintains cellular homeostasis. Autophagy starts with the formation of a membrane structure inside the cell called an autophagosome, which engulfs the protein aggregates or material to be recycled. The autophagosome and its cargo subsequently fuse with a neighboring lysosome. Lysosomes are the cell's recycling plant, where proteins are degraded back into their original components, ready for reuse by the cell. At Samsara, we have an unbiased, data-driven approach to discovering new autophagy biology. We start with a phenotypic screen and use proprietary technologies to understand the mechanisms of action and targets of the autophagy-inducing molecules we identify. We use a variety of translatable cellular and in vivo models of disease and have discovered several highly promising lead molecules which are being optimized towards the clinic. Samsara Therapeutics, restoring autophagy, reversing disease.